I'm going to show you how to add your Zoho account to Outlook client. So to get started, make sure you open your Outlook and your Zoho mail. And then from here, when you in your Outlook, you just have to click on add account right here beside the left pane. And then when you click that, you just have to go to your Zoho mail. And then once you are going to Zoho mail, you just have to open your Zoho mail right here. Then click on settings located right here on the right pane, which is right here. And when you click on settings right here, a pop-up will show up. All the settings will be shown right here. And we'll have to go to scroll down and then locate your mail accounts. And then from mail accounts, all you have to do is just go to IMAP right here. And then make sure you check this one and then click on save. And make sure also you copy your email address right here, which is this one right above. And then once you're done with that, all you have to do is just click on save. And then once you click on save, all you have to do is just go to your Outlook. And then on Outlook, you just have to input the add account email, which is right there, and then continue. And then from here, you will just show you the IMAP password, or you just have to log in into your account. Make sure you know the username on your password on your Zoho mail, so you can input it or add it into your Outlook client. So from there, all you have to do is just input the password and then press on continue. So that's pretty much it. That's how you connect your Zoho mail account into Outlook client.